Firstly, a little bit about me. I've been delivering training courses since 1985. I've taught right across Europe, from London to Moscow inclusive. I now live and train in Perth in Western Australia. I've trained multinationals, banks, IT firms, computer manufacturers, right through to small businesses, charities, schools and universities. So the entire gamut, basically. The other things I've trained at all levels, from beginners right through to expert and support levels. Now, why should you take my course? Well, I started my first business in April 1996, and I sold my services almost exclusively via the internet. And in all that time, the last 20 years or so, I've never needed any salespeople. All my sales are via the internet. I now have about 6 businesses. They're all internet based and they're all making money, and they all get promoted via the internet. So I use WordPress every single day to make sales for my business, make money for my business. So this course is about getting results for your business. So about this particular course, well, it covers installation of WordPress, setup and customization of WordPress, optimization of WordPress, and it also, of course, covers themes, plugins, and widgets. If you're not familiar with these, don't worry, it's an introductory course. They'll all be covered and they'll all be explained. And also, we delve into something called SEO, Search Engine Optimization. There is a separate course that I run for this, but this will show you the basics of SEO, Search Engine Optimization. Now, in this course, I teach you what you need. I've developed this course after years of experience of using WordPress. So basically, this course concentrates on the good stuff, the stuff you need to know. And it doesn't sort of dwell on the things that are slightly more esoteric maybe, and you don't really need to know about. So of this course, you can learn from my mistakes, of which there were many in the early days. So who's this course aimed at? Well, primarily, it's for small business owners who want to create and maintain their own websites. This course is definitely for beginners. No prior experience is required. No programming will be used on this course. Now, if you're a WordPress expert who's been using WordPress for years and you're looking for a programming course, then this is not the course for you. So as the old saying goes, knowledge is power. So after this course, you'll have no need for an expensive web designer. You can design your own website. Each time you want to make small changes, maybe change your prices, things like that, instead of paying the web designer to do that for you, in future, you'll be able to do it yourself. And primarily, this course is about putting you in control of your own business website.